Accessing PubMed through RCSI Library. First, go to the home page of the RCSI Library website, which is rcsi.com/Dublin/library. And then scroll down to this link, our A to Z of resources. Click on the A to Z of resources, and this will take you to a listing of our main resources. On the right, there is a search box titled Search for Resources. Type in PubMed. Once you have typed in PubMed, it should appear below in the search results. Click on the link into PubMed. Now complete a search on the topic or article you are looking for by typing keywords into the search box. For the purpose of this example, I will type in shoulder pain. Then click search. Suppose this is the article I am looking for. I click on the article, and as I see further details on the article, on the right-hand side I will see a purple icon which says full text at RCSI. Click on this icon to get access to the full text version of the article. I will see I have the full text version of the article. If you can't see the link to the purple full text at RCSI, or the link isn't working for any reason, take note of the title of the journal which the article comes from. You can then return to the A to Z of resources and search for the journal title in our eJournal portal, just through this link here on the right. I will then type or paste the name of the journal title I am looking for. So I type it in and click search. And you'll see that we have a subscription to this journal. And I can click on the link to get access of all articles contained in this journal that we have subscriptions for. If you continue to have difficulty finding the full text version of an article you are looking for, check our libguides at libguides.rcsi.ie for our document supply information, and we will attempt to find that full text article for you. Thank you for viewing this video.